Will lifting weights make beginners bulky?
Many beginners worry that starting to lift weights will make them look bulky. This common fear can discourage people from adding strength training to their fitness routine. But is it really likely for new lifters to build big, bulky muscles quickly? Let's explore the truth behind this widespread myth.
Understanding muscle growth.
Muscle growth, or hypertrophy, doesn't happen overnight. For most beginners, changes in muscle size are slow and gradual. Building significant muscle mass requires consistent training, progressive overload, and attention to diet. For many, visible bulkiness is the result of years of dedicated effort, not just picking up a set of weights a few times a week.
Genetics and gender differences.
Genetics and gender play a big role in how muscle develops. Most women and many men don't have the genetic potential to become extremely muscular without extensive training and, in some cases, a specific diet. Female beginners, in particular, typically experience strength gains long before any major muscle size increases.
Benefits of weightlifting for beginners.
Weightlifting offers benefits beyond just muscle size. Improved metabolism, better bone health, and increased strength are just a few of the many positives. Beginners often notice more toned and defined muscles rather than bulkiness. Weight training can also boost confidence and support healthy weight management.
Tips for beginners starting strength training.
To control your results, focus on your training plan. Use moderate weights and aim for higher repetitions to develop lean, toned muscles. Pay attention to your nutrition, get enough rest, and listen to your body. Remember, building the physique you want takes time and intention. Lifting weights won't make you bulky by accident.